This video is 100% AI generated. Everything from the voice to the images and even the words I'm speaking right now are created automatically. How? With Autoshorts.ai. Let's dive into why consistency in video posting is crucial for audience retention. When creators maintain a regular upload schedule, they build a sense of trust and anticipation with their viewers. This reliability keeps audiences coming back for more, as they know when to expect new content. Moreover, consistent uploads signal to algorithms that a channel is active, potentially boosting visibility across platforms. Regular content also enhances viewer engagement, as audiences are more likely to interact with channels that frequently update. It allows creators to refine their message and style, increasing the quality of their work over time. With Autoshorts.ai, automating your video creation and posting can help you stay consistent without the stress. You set your topics and schedule, and it handles the rest. Imagine having videos ready to go while you focus on other aspects of your brand. Start leveraging consistency in your strategy and watch your audience grow.